Now, some of you may think the title of this lecture sounds a little bit ridiculous, thinking, how can abs really change my body and my life forever? But you'd be surprised what I've seen from my clients who have managed to get amazing, flat, shredded abs, how it's transformed every aspect of their life. And that's no exaggeration at all. Getting six-pack abs or getting great abs is more than just an aesthetic. And I'll be the first to tell you, I'm so thankful you're taking this course. There are a million other trainers who probably have better abs than I do, who have better looking six-packs. I'm not genetically endowed to have one like them. We all know that person in our life who can eat cheeseburgers, who can eat pizza, have as many sundaes and milkshakes as they want, and still have great looking abs. I used to be almost 50 pounds overweight before I lost all of it through diet and exercise, and that alone changed my life forever. I just recently, in the last few years, found the right combination of assets in diet and exercise for myself so that I could get six-pack abs, and so I could translate that to other people's lives who aren't genetically predisposed to have abs like that, so that I could give you a gift. Yes, it's going to be hard to achieve. Yes, you're going to have to work for it, but I'll tell you something that once you get there, it will transform your life in so many different ways. You'll have a confidence that you've never had before. You'll have a new enthusiasm and zest for life. You'll have more energy because you'll be able to manipulate the fat stores in your body for energy. We'll give you a diet that shifts your energy from using carbohydrates to primarily fats and making that your primary source of energy. So when I say this course can transform your life, I mean that it can in so many ways. By getting yourself the great abs that you deserve, you'll gain that confidence, you'll gain that self-respect, you'll talk more positively and optimistically about your life, and you'll be able to take this program that you've learned from and learned exactly how you got six-pack abs and be able to pour into the lives of others and help your friends and help your family out to get into the best shape of their lives and to get the abs that they deserve. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for enrolling in this course, and I'm so excited to hear about your results and your progress as you change your life by getting the abs that you deserve.